Does it feel like every day has become a repetitive cycle? Waking up, then getting to bed. Is this all you can remember? Thinking to do something new feels hard. Just wanna lay down all day and scroll. Unable to feel anything, passing your days. It's like you're stuck in a moving world, getting swept away by whatever's coming because you don't wanna do anything. You're drowning into the sea of overwhelmness, not even trying to swim away, feeling hopeless that you haven't achieved anything yet and everyone's so ahead of you, absorbing the emotions deeper and deeper while feeling nothing at all, having no direction about where to take next step. Do you want to stay here or take the steps to navigate this overwhelming tiredness? The decision is yours. Before, let me remind you that it's completely normal to feel this way, but staying in this for a long time is not right. So, here's the thing, take a 3 days challenge. Yes, it's just 3 days. Wake up, go to your study table, take a white sheet of paper, and write down everything you've been thinking lately. Like, just write it down and go and burn it. I know we have seen this multiple times on television, but trust me, it actually works. Adding to this is whenever you get a thought, just write it down on your notes in your phone, because getting up every time and writing down while you don't want to do anything is really tough. When you write something, all the thoughts that you've been thinking, it signals your brain that you are being heard without needing to tell somebody and feeling judged. So it really helps with the overthinking. The second thing to do is drink at least 2 liters of water and try to eat clean. I may sound like a teacher, but it definitely helps, because when your body is healthy, you feel healthy too. So it's really important to take care of your physical health and mental health too. It's codependent on each other. Third thing to do is move your body. It can be walking, yoga, running. Just do it in the morning. I'm not telling you to do this every day. It's just to get you out of this phase. After that, you'll figure things on your own. As you have taken 3 days challenge, so I can tell you to wake up before sunrise, like 5 a.m., and move your body. Just sit down in the quietness and watch the sunrise. It's really helpful. And the another thing you should do is just play your badass playlist and dance, so you can do dance workouts on them. It's really a good idea. The fourth thing to do is scheduling your daily activities. Our body feels drained when we mess our lifestyle. Not having fixed time of eating, sleeping, moving disturbs our natural body clock, which expects us to do things at the same time as before. So just try to wake up and sleep at the same time as before, and make plan about what things you're doing and what you're gonna do. It really gives you the perception that what you're gonna do next, and it instantly boosts your energy and mind that yes, I have to do this next. So yeah, because at this time you are just not feeling anything. It's like you are burned out and you have to do something new in order to get rid of it. So it's really important. And the fifth thing is based on this itself. Try out different things which you have never done before. For the next 3 days, take 3 activities like singing a song which you couldn't, playing a sport which you haven't, painting, baking, planning your academic comeback, planting a seed and watch it grow, dressing up, and recording yourself. Could be anything. Just do it. It will help breaking the cycle you are stuck in and will excite you to do more things. It's tough because this is a phase where you actually don't really want to do anything. You don't feel anything. You just want to be disappear. But life is much more than that. You just waste it like this. I know it's not wrong feeling like this, but as I said, we shouldn't feel it for a long time. So if you have made your mind, you will do it. It's fine. Everyone goes through this phase. You're not alone. When I was dealing with this, I didn't had any guidance. All the videos I watched was tiring itself. Because it had to do a lot of things. What I'm sharing with you is what I wished someone had told me. I then added one more thing which is really beneficial for many is to talk and share your feelings with someone trusted person who understands you, like your best friend, your cousin, your parents, anyone. But I didn't said that because when I was suffering, I didn't have anyone. And I know many of us don't have or just don't feel comfortable sharing no matter what you're going through. So I just wanted everyone to know that in the end, it's just you. And you can get out of this on your own. You don't have to worry. You just have to push yourself a little hard and get where you want to go.